All right, Kevin, you all want to know why I'm giving out apples the last couple of days. Well, before I tell you why, let's do a little apples challenge. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? All right, so let's welcome our contestants, Moshe and Yoshua, Ephraim and Aaron David. Grab your seats and let's begin the challenge today. All right, Kevin, so today's challenge, we will eliminate by each challenge one person. We're going to have to stack 5 apples on top of your bucket, all right? You ready? Aaron David, 1 minute. Under your buckets, you're going to find 5 apples. On the count of 3, you're going to have to stack them on top of your bucket. You have a game plan?
I'm going to try to go big to small.
Oh, big to small. How about you, Moshe?
Yeah, that was my idea. He took it from me.
He took the idea from him. They made it before. And you, Moshe?
I'm just trying not to eat them.
That's a challenge for you. All right, guys. 1, 2, 3. Stack him. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. He's up to 2. Moshe, you got a strategy?
I got a strategy.
Well, how about you, Moshe?
Yep, we got this.
You got this. How about you? Oh, apples down. Let's get them apples. Let's get back apples for him. All right, rolling. All right, we have a winner. Yeah, the first one to stack him, and looks like he's gonna be the second one over there. And make sure it doesn't fold, because if it folds, you're not a winner. How about you?
We're trying to fill in all the bumps.
He said he got the bad apples. And we got a second one. We got Moshe on the number 2 lead. And he does this for a living, apparently not.
Bye, baby!
Yeah! He got it! Look at that! Look out!
Camera has a jacket that's flowing.
That's strategy. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3. Who's gonna be between these two? Between Aaron David and Yehoshua. Yeah! And we have eliminated Aaron David. Oh my goodness. What's your take on this?
Apples were very tasty. I tasted them before.
That's all you got to say? L'chaim. Kevin, for challenge number 2, we have 4 apples, 4 contestants, 1 will be eliminated. They have to stand on the black line, eat the apple entirely until it falls to the ground. 1 person eliminated. Guys, you ready? Get involved! On the black line, you cannot move from the black line. Hands behind your back at all times. 3, 2, 1, go! They're shaking over there. Look at them. These guys are clowns. Oh, you got to bite these guys. These guys are trying to. Oh, he got it. Let's go get a bite. Oh, Moshe, what's with? Hey, when was the last time you brushed your teeth over there? Let's get his couple back over there on his head. And Moshe, get the bite over there, would you? All right. These guys are going in circles. Their hands behind the back. Oh, he got it. Get the first bite. Crush it. He got it. Ashir Kazai is Chotchik. He's going at it. Here we go. He got a lunch out of it. He got a second lunch out of it.
The strategy over here is technically just like the Mahak Taltz. Eventually it cracks. You know what I'm talking about?
I got it. Moshe, you're doing easy, Moshe, easy. You're going tough at it, Moshe. Midrachmunes. Oh.
Out of my way.
Holzhackers. Kevin is legit 1930s Holzhackers. Got some good teeth marks in there. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds on the clock to hold on to it. We didn't say go yet. You can still go, you still hit it with your teeth. 5 seconds on the clock to hold it, just to make it a little easier and funner to the viewers. On the count of 3, we're gonna count 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's safe. We have Moshe number 2. Hands behind your back now. Look at this guy. What do you have to say for the crowd? How's the apple, Moshe? Seriously.
Very tasty.
These guys are launching at apples, rockets, cannons. Iran is shooting nuclear bombs. Do whatever you want. Hit it with your head, hit it with your eyes, hit it with your nose. Ephraim, bang it. It's a new challenge. Oh, yeah! He got it. You almost got this. Ephraim, you almost got this. Ephraim, go for it. Go for lost fish. There we go. Knock. Ephraim and Moshe, this is intense. This is tough. Let's go. Oh! Ephraim, don't stop. All right, right, Kevin, for the next challenge is as follows. You have to pick up with your teeth 15 apples and put those 15 apples into the bucket. The last one to get the 15 apples into the bucket is eliminated, all right? At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go. No touching with your hands, only blindfolded in the bucket. There we go. Where's your bucket? Oh, he got it in the bucket. He's up to 2, 3. Moshe, go. 4. Don't knock over your bucket, so you'll have to start again. Yeah, sharp teeth. 1 minute, Chico. What do you, Chico? 1 set, Chico.
This is not what's supposed to happen.
He dropped an apple. He's up to number 8. 15 apples. Who's gonna be the first one to get those 15 apples?
Time.
What do you want?
We're not supposed to do it like this.
What do you mean?
It's not the 15 apples. We're supposed to bring out a whole. Fryam!
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
I have a whole challenge here.
What do you mean? 15 apples?
No. It's 15 apples to drink.
It,
Yeah, cut.
Cut. What do you mean? We have to redo the whole thing now?
The whole thing has to be redone.
It's not 15 apples in the bucket?
No.
So what is it?
The drink. 15 apples the drink.
Freuen, Zugschein. So what is this?
Chaim, let me introduce you to the 15 Apple series.
You mean to say the apples I gave out the last couple of weeks is cut?
No. It was all to build up our 15 Apple series.
Ooh, so you're saying the apples go inside the bucket?
Correct. Each bottle is cold pressed with approximately 15 apples per bottle. We launched this project with 6 different flavors, each one with up to 15 apples per bottle. So this is our apple citrus blend, which is a blend of apples and oranges.
I'll tell you the truth, most juices are intense, heavy. It has a lightness and a delicious and a crispiness.
Correct.
You could taste the crisp of the apple in the drink. All right, so guys, you ready for the next challenge? Let's go!
Let's go!